Fear screams, but the truth whispers. You might think the truth should be screaming at you and fear should be whispering, but it's the other way around. Deep down, you know the truth. Deep down, if you listen, if you let all of the fear, all of the doubt, all of the noise dissipate, you will find what is really true. You will find who you really are. Fear is going to scream and tell you, no, you can't do that. No, if you do this, then this is going to happen. If you do this, does that sound familiar? That's fear. And we are taught to believe that it's truth because we expect truth to be bloop, 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 neon lights. This is the truth. Big advertisement, the truth. No, fear is this. Fear is, Truth doesn't need all of that because truth is going to be truth, whether it's screaming at you or whether it's whispering. Fear, if it only has a small volume, it has no power. It has to find power by raising the volume, by making urgency where there is no urgency. Truth is going to be truth all the time.